Just drop it right here, right? We can keep going this way if you want.
Thank you, guys. Some rule about pumping when there's water going into your pump. Yeah, I broke it anyway. Yeah, I think just don't do it. Down the back. Alright, hold it. That's good. Shut it down, bud. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I see people standing around. You could be pumping a hand tub right now. Yeah, let's get some water through it. Front, back, front, back.
Well, a little choosy there.
Few more hands, couple more hands. Looks all right. Looks all right. We want charity. We basically have one string. So. All right, last chance. Anyone want to hop on? Come on, let's go.
There you go. Another live one. No, here we go. Here we go.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, remember, pump up and down. If you slip, if you lose your grip, just back off. Don't hop back on. Don't hurt yourself. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Thank you, 10. Thank you, 10. Let's go down and back. Hold down. Thank you. All right. Flags up!
Flags up.
Take it! Go, 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 go! Go! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Go! Keep it going, keep it going! You guys got it! Keep it going! More, more, more! Yeah! Alright, down the back and hold it. Woo. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone says that, you know that, obviously. All right, let's go down in the front and hold it. Can? Yeah, you guys can do that. Yeah, sure. Well, a little bit more. Beautiful. All right, that should make it easier. Just kidding. Legs up! Take it! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Pick it up, pick it up! Pick it up! Go! guys, don't disappear when you get out of the truck.